Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amel, and today's video we're going to be replacing a quarter window trim pieces on E46 M3, and let me show you how mine look. These bad boys are all cracked up, they've seen better days, and they're really dried up too. Now let me show you my replacements. These are matte finish, and I got them off of ECS Tuning. They have a double-sided sticky tape on this side, so how they're gonna look is they're gonna fit like right here underneath the window. But I could do this by just opening the window and cracking it up, or I can just take the window off and have a better accessibility under the window so I can change it out easily. So let's just start by removing a window. And to remove the window, we're gonna have to start on inside by removing a rear seats, unbuttoning couple bolts on armrests, and taking out the panels. So we'll start by lifting the rear seat up. Okay, get this on. Okay, she's just gonna come out right now. Okay, with the rear seat out, you're just gonna pull these bad boys out, just like that, and on both sides. And these two pieces are out. Now we're gonna be able to access these two screws in here, and same thing on this side, and we should be able to pry this panel off. So next step is you pop this bad boy out, and you pop this screw, not screw, like this trim out, kind of slide out, and then this piece will come off. So you can see there's a locking pin on the top, and so this thing right here, you just push it with your finger from inside out. So now that that is off, there are two screws in here, and let's get those off. So these two screws are gonna be T20 Torx. I have it on my screwdriver, so we're just gonna take them out and I'll show you the rest. Alright, got the two screws out, so now we're just gonna try to pull it on this panel. She came off loose a little bit, and just like that, she's out. And you can see behind the panel. So next thing is we're gonna get these two plastic trims out. As soon as we get them, we should be able to slide this bad boy down and access the two screws in here. And here's a better view of these screws. Make sure you have a plastic puller or whatever this is called, so just don't drop them down, because good luck fishing it out. Let me get these two off and I'll show you the next step. Alright, two bolts are off, so this thing should just pull out or pull down. Yep, just pulls out, and then I'm gonna pull it down. And just like that, this piece is off, and right underneath this rubber there are going to be two screws that hold the window, and you can see there's a 10 mil and a 10 mil. So the next thing is I'm gonna unbutton this bad boy up right here, and then we're gonna unscrew these two screws. So to get this bad boy, you just pull this plastic off. Just be careful, don't chip your window. Okay, it's coming slowly. And just like that, and then you just pull this bad boy out this way, out of this ball. I need two hands for this, so alright, she's out. I'm not sure how this window stays up here, but I'm gonna tape mine to the roof just when I remove those two screws. I don't want to break the quarter window. Alright, the two 10 mil screws are off, so let's see how this bad boy is gonna come out. Yep, definitely just slides out like this. Now that window is out, we're gonna be able to change this real quick and real easy. Don't need to hassle around trying to go behind the window. So let's get this piece off right now and replace it. Alright, here's a better view of the gasket that is all chipped up. It's really nasty. I'm gonna be able to clean this seal right now too. Look at that. Just comes right off. It's bad. It's really bad. Look at that. All gone. And I'm noticing my other gasket is messed up too, but I just gotta replace this one later. I didn't get it, so we'll just get this one done. Well, I took off the trim itself. Now I'm just gonna have to work on this tape removal, and I'm gonna do that off the camera because it's gonna take a while, looks like it. So let me get this off and we'll go back to installing it. So this is how I'm getting rid of this adhesive. I'm kind of trying to keep the blade off the panel on the front here, because this is where the trim is gonna go. So in the back, I'm just trying to kind of like move it down along with the tape, and just slowly, not trying to scratch the paint, and just kind of pull on it and slowly move down. And this is how it looks. There's no scratches or anything in the paint. There's still left some adhesive on there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buff this out. Man, that was a lot of elbow grease. Took forever, but got done. It's clean. Just gonna use alcohol to clean it up right now, and then I'm gonna install the new piece on right now. Alright, so this is how this new piece is gonna sit in here. Go like that. Make sure, yeah, just like that. It's gonna come up over here, and there's a pin that you gotta put in right here, and then once you close, you kind of want to adjust this, and then we're gonna pull this tape and keep it down flat. I'm gonna press on it to make sure it adheses to the car. Make sure it's all the way back, all the way in. Now we pull this bad boy out. One is out. Second one is out. Make sure it's in and out. We press it. And she's done. Now just reinstall everything back up and we're ready to go. All right, one is done. So now I just got to repeat the same step on the other side. The window is back in. It's bolted up, so I'm just gonna take everything off on that side and do it off camera, and I'm gonna show you the results. And here is the finished product. As you can see, it looks really nice, smooth, flows well with the car, and we're done with it. And like I always say, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.